Quite a long time ago, a man visited me when I was in Cologne. He was a cameraman and showed me a 15-minute movie that he had filmed. He had been to different slaughterhouses and butchers and had filmed the minutes before the animals there died. I said him that I would recommend showing this on TV. When people buy packed meat in the supermarket, they cannot imagine what exactly they are buying and where it is coming from. In this movie, there was no dialogue, only the video. He showed the eyes of pigs, goats, sheep, cows, horses, and chicken before they were killed. You could see that the animal knew they would be slaughtered. You could see their fear. I think nobody who has watched this short movie would further eat meat. When an animal is full of fear, there are hormones and toxins in its body which later on are also in the meat that you can buy and eat. You take these toxins into your body. How can humans be so cruel? Many people tell me they love animals. Of course, everyone loves their pets. Nobody would ever kill and eat their dog or cat. But cows and pigs are also animals. You love your cat and it can sleep in your bed. You say that dogs are your true friends, and you eat chicken only because you don't have them in your house. You are disgusted when you see sausages made of horse meat, but you are shocked by the fact that in China people love eating dogs. Where is the difference? A pig could be your pet too. It has the same soul. It has the same right to live as your dog. It is a question of sensitivity.